As you all already know, you're watching Joseph's AI channel, and on this channel you get 100% free and detailed master prompts for both short videos and long videos. Here, we use completely free AI tools to generate content, and there are no paid tools involved. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create micro-camera animal and insect videos using only free AI tools. This niche is exploding right now and has huge viral potential, so don't miss this opportunity like many people missed the renovation and transformation video trend earlier. For this video, you'll get a complete master prompt, and you'll find its link in the description. You'll also get the direct text file inside our Telegram channel, so you can download it from anywhere, whichever is easier for you. This master prompt is universal and you can create numerous different insects and animal videos using this only single prompt. Make sure you carefully copy the entire master prompt. After copying it, we'll go to ChatGPT. Don't worry, this is the free version of ChatGPT, not the paid one. You'll see the Get Plus option, which clearly means you're using the free version. And as you already know, on this channel we only provide totally free tutorials, and that's exactly what we'll continue to do. Once you paste the master prompt into ChatGPT, it will automatically generate a list of 15 insects or small animals. You can choose any one of them. If you want to create a video on something that is not in the list, like ants, you can simply type the name directly and it will work without any issues. For this tutorial, let's assume we're creating a termite video. If termite appears at number 15 in the list, just type 15 and click send. If you want to create a different insect or animal, you can directly reply with its name instead. As soon as you click send, ChatGPT will generate one image prompt for creating the initial image and 5 motion prompts for video generation. First, we'll create the image, and then we'll use those motion prompts to generate the video. For both image and video generation, we'll use the free version of Grok AI. If you ever get stuck or hit your daily limits on Grok AI, don't panic, because I've already explained how to use Grok AI unlimited times in another video, and that video is linked in the description. To generate the image, go to the Grok Imagine section, copy the full image prompt from ChatGPT, and paste it into the Type to Imagine box. Select image, choose the 9:16 aspect ratio, and click generate. After a few seconds, you'll get an ultra-high detail image. Select the image you like the most. To animate it, click on the edit icon and then choose the make image option. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the first motion prompt, paste it into the box, make sure the aspect ratio is still 9:16, and click generate. You'll now get a video. If you like the result, you can continue, and if you don't, you can simply regenerate it without worrying about limits. Once you're satisfied with the video, upscale it. After the upscaling is complete, click on the extend from frame option. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the next motion prompt, paste it, and generate again. This will seamlessly extend your video while maintaining the highest quality. Follow the same process for all the remaining motion prompts. Each time, upscale the video, extend from the last frame, paste the next prompt, and generate again. After completing all the prompts, you'll have your final video ready. Just upscale the final output and download it to your device. I'm not showing how to add background music or how to import and export the video, because that would only waste your time. That's all for today's video, and we'll meet again in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.